Want to fix League of Legends we couldn't install a required dependency? This video will show you the simple tricks to get back to Summoner's Rift. Let's dive in. First things first, this error means the League of Legends installer or client can't install necessary software like DirectX or Visual C++ redistributables. Now, the most crucial step is to manually install the missing dependencies. Visit Microsoft's official website and download the latest versions of DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer, Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Download both x86 and x64 versions for all available years, e.g. 2015 to 2022. Run these installers and reboot your PC. Next, ensure your Windows operating system is fully updated. Go to Settings greater than Windows Update and install all pending updates. Sometimes missing OS updates prevent dependency installation. You'll also want to check your firewall and antivirus settings. Your security software might be blocking the installation of these crucial files. Temporarily disable them during the manual installation of dependencies, and then try launching League of Legends. Finally, try running the League of Legends installer as an administrator. Right-click the installer or client shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This provides necessary permissions. If problems persist, consider running the Hextech repair tool with reinstall option from Riot's support page. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more League of Legends tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.